everybody! And we're here for another December episode of IPSY. And I'm so excited to open. So, we're gonna open it because I'm so excited!
Hi, YouTubers! Hi, YouTubers!
I don't have a scissor, but it's easy to open it this time. Let's go. So we'll start opening this one and we'll check what we have in it. So let's see. Okay, so we'll get one. It is a Precisely My Brow Pencil. So I have it here. We'll try it. So I'll open everything. I got a lipstick, a lip balm, and the last from my bag is a facial wash. So I got a Christmas coat here for you, and Merry Christmas. I know this video is late, but thanks for watching. So my friends in YouTube, here it is. Christmas is truly Christmas when we celebrate it by giving the light of love to those who need it most. Thank you. Oh my goodness!
Golden shoes.
Why is it a golden? Look under. Ooh. Awesome. What's that?
Oh, that's roller skates?
Oh my god.
Roller skates. Where's the roller skates? Oh, there's fluff on them.